Safety first. Ah! Ush! So you just fell over in the worst spot because you're downhill and the bike weighs pretty much twice as much as you. So what do? Well, ask someone that's a lot stronger than you to do it. You're good to go. Or if you're by yourself, what do? Well, since this bike is sloped downward, and if there's room, one thing that you could do, get down on your knee, pick the bike up, and you can kind of roll the bike like that, roll the front wheel, get it so it's a little more level, and then you can pick up the bike. That's one way to make it easier. And if you're really strong and you like lifting up your bike, you can get on your knees and press with your feet, and you want to grab with the handlebar and with the seat, or if there's a grab handle here, you can lift it up like that. And sometimes it helps to turn the handlebars to full lock like that, so you're not fighting the handlebars spinning. That is doable, but even that's hard. I'm about 145 pounds, and this bike weighs 265 pounds or 270, so that's almost twice as much as me. I don't work out, but I have decent strength for my size, so if you're extra skinny and that's hard for you to do, well, then you got to use your back strength. And how do you do that? Well, you just turn around, you grab the handlebar here and the seat right here, and use all of your leg strength. Don't lift with your back. You want to turn the handlebars like that, and then push with your legs. And then once you got it upright, mostly balanced, then you can turn around and hang onto the bike. And if it's too tall to reach the ground on this side, then you just hold on to the bike, balance it, and get on from this side. If you have short legs like me, that makes it easier. And there's another reason why having electric start is nice, because if the downslope is on the left side and you have short legs, it's hard to touch the ground and you're about to fall again. That makes it really hard to kickstart the bike unless you just ride down the hill. But if you don't want to pick up your bike at all, why not learn how to ride it with more balance? Okay, that's easier said than done, but there are some easy ways to build your overall control so that you fall less and don't fall in nasty spots that make it hard to pick up. And I can show you how to do that with my free guide. Just head to motocrosshideout.com/free lessons, because I want to make you a better, safer rider so that you can enjoy riding and not be intimidated or afraid to go out by yourself or having to pick up a super heavy bike and get hurt. This is Kelly Faker from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can have more fun with your family and friends for the rest of your life.